Sunny.
Hi, it's Lucky. How are you? Oa mai oi.
Today, we're going to help Mommy and Daddy with the outdoor chores.
Our tina and tama, our mother and father work together to keep the whale, the house clean.
The house is clean both inside and outside.
Yes, let's help with the outdoor chores today. Fesosoani means help. Fe'au means chores.
Let's learn Samoan words as we help Mommy and Daddy today.
Daddy always starts by checking the garden for weeds. Fa'atoanga means garden.
Weeds are plants that grow and ruin the garden, so we have to pull them out before they grow a lot.
Always wear gardening gloves when you work in the garden.
So your hands don't get dirty and get hurt when using gardening supplies.
Now that we're done with the weeding the garden, let's water our garden.
This is my favorite part. I'll fill the watering can and water the flowers.
Plants and vegetables need lots of sun and water to grow.
Do this every day, and plants show how happy they are by growing well.
Looks like Daddy's taking out the rake. A rake looks like a big fork that is used to clear up fallen leaves.
You take the rake and use it to gather all the fallen leaves into one big pile.
Salu le akoka means rake the leaves.
I'll take out the trash bag for the fallen leaves before we put it in the rubbish bin.
All trash goes into the rubbish bin. Apalapisi means rubbish bin.
Daddy will now mow the lawn. Let's help him.
Mowing the lawn is making the grass freshly cut and short.
If you don't mow the lawn, grass will grow too long. Very hard to walk. We're done. We've helped Daddy with the outdoor chores.
Let's go to Mummy next. She's doing the laundry. Potuta mea means laundry.
Washing the clothes can be done by using a washing machine or hand washing it.
Ofu means clothes. It feels nice to have clean clothes. I love watching the bubbles from the washing machine.
The clothes keep turning and turning inside until it's clean.
If you hand wash clothes, you have to scrub the clothes gently to clean them.
When drying clothes, we use a dryer machine.
We sometimes use a clothesline so the clothes get dry under the sun.
I love the smell of clothes dried under the sun. Smells good and sunny.
When the clothes are dry, we fold them so it doesn't crease. Ngau ngau kanga mea means fold the clothes.
Today was fun. We did a lot of chores with Mommy and Daddy. Let's learn all the words we learned in Samoan. Let's start. House.
Whale,
Help.
fesoasoani,
Chores.
fe'au,
Garden.
fa'atoanga,
Rake the leaves.
salu le akoka,
Rubbish bin.
apalapisi,
Laundry.
Botu tā mea?
Clothes.
Ofu.
Fold the clothes.
Ngau ngau ka ngā mea. Well done! Let's be active in helping our parents with the chores.
We get to learn lots of things by doing them. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.